Auckland Council's Hazard Viewer shows that the North Shore's coastline is vulnerable to tsunami threat, with extensive evacuation zones along its coast. After talking to a few of North Shore's locals, it seems that most people know what to do in a tsunami.
We just go up one of the hills. I live just over there, so I'd go up Mount Victoria.
And I just know to get up a hill, but that's more or less it.
I'd say we'll probably know to get to high ground, but we wouldn't be prepared.
But there does seem to be a lack of tsunami safety education or evacuation plans.
I've never seen anything sort of around the club about a plan or anything.
Coast Guard's Northern Regional Manager, Johnny Bannister, says it's important for boating and coastal communities to be wary of environmental conditions that could indicate a tsunami threat.
The problem with a tsunami is it's not possible to predict how it's going to affect the environmental conditions. What it's going to do when it hits the beach, the height of the waves, or how much water is going to be sucked out, or what impact it's going to have on the tide. Being prepared for the kind of conditions you can expect to face, and therefore make sure you've got the mitigation factors in place.
Auckland Emergency Management says it's up to community organisations to create emergency and resilience plans to ensure a better response.
Get prepared for the residual risk that you can't avoid. And then the really important component is that kind of social network, that building, bonding, that bridging, because that is what enables all of us to both take responsibility and have a more effective response to, for example, the tsunami.